All dear students and listeners, all of you are welcome in Green Camp English speaking courses for all. It is not for zero level students. ये सब उनके लिए है जिनको थोड़ा इंग्लिश का पहले नॉलेज है, कुछ मीडियम स्तर की नॉलेज आती है जिनको इंग्लिश की, या अन्य जो सर्विस क्लास में हैं उन सब के लिए है। मैं एक एक दो सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन आंसर डालूंगा, आपको नए आइडियाज़ अपने आप से डेवलप करनी है। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। व्हाट इज़ हॉबी? आंसर: हॉबी इज़ a pastime activity which is done in free time. Hobby comes out from our own interest, so hobby is a very useful activity. Next question: what your hobbies are? My hobbies are reading books, listening to music, watching TV, reading books, driving for interest, gardening, cooking, preparing tea, dancing, traveling are my hobbies. When do you get time to pursue your hobbies? I can pursue both at my workplace as well as at my home. I get some breaks of few minutes at my office to satisfy my hobbies. However, I get more time for the same at my home in weekends and on holidays. How have your hobbies benefited you? Answer: my hobbies have given immense benefits to me. Reading books has helped me understanding the life with a better insight. I have learned and implemented the knowledge of books in both my life and my profession, which has enhanced my success at all levels. Next, music has always kept me fresh and energized, which is very important for someone who works in teaching profession. What type of hobbies do the people of your generation usually have? People of my generation prefer to read books, listen to music, travel, watching movies and so on. In addition, there are few activities emerging as hobbies too. For example, surfing and chatting over the internet, playing games on the mobile and computer. Why do hobbies keep changing from generation to generation? Answer: I think changes in lifestyle and advancement in technology are instrumental behind the shift of hobbies over generations. They offer more options to the people to choose from and pursue. Take for instance, we can use internet as a means to pursue our hobbies, which was not available before few decades at all. Next question: what type of hobbies will the future generation have? Answer: I think most hobbies of future generation will be based on technology. People will play virtual games, virtual programs, will travel in space, will explore underwater areas of oceans, make friends online and share their lives with them. Next question: if you had an opportunity to pick up a hobby, then what would it be and why? Answer: if I had an opportunity to pick up a hobby, it had to be a musical instrument, might be guitar or piano. I have great affinity toward these musical instruments, and even today I see the artists who play such instruments with great respect. I may learn them in future if I get a chance. How are hobbies useful to us? Hobbies are useful to us in many ways. We can pass our time in a creative manner, which helps us in gaining expertise on other areas of life. Sometimes hobbies can also help us in earning name and fame. Take, for instance, one of my friends had a hobby of painting. He is now able to sell his paintings and earns handsome amount of money from them. Next question. Do you think hobbies are wastage of time? Answer. No. I never think so. That hobbies are wastage of time. Never. In contrast to it, it is a creative utilization of our time. By pursuing hobbies, we can actually pull out our hidden abilities. We unleash our creativity, which is very important for our all-round development. Next question. What difficulties did you face in your first job interview? Answer. I was little nervous as it was my first interview. I knew nothing about the company and the field as a whole. Moreover, it was a walk-in interview. Many candidates appeared in it, which made me even skeptical about my selection. However, I performed well and I was shortlisted by the interviewing panel for a personal interview, and finally I got appointment letter after few days of my interview. Next question. Do you think employees should be paid more and more for weekends? Answer. Yes, I believe that employees should be paid more for weekends because employees spend weekends for themselves and their family. This time is sacrificed where employees work at weekends, which should be compensated by paying higher wages to them. Next question. Do you plan your work schedule, or what are the benefits of planning the work schedule? Answer. I always plan my work schedule as it helps in managing my workload and increasing my efficiency. I use a planner in which I write the task that I have to take on every day. This helps me in prioritizing my work and keeps me focused on the useful task over the trivial matters. Next question. What are the benefits of doing business over a job? Yes, I think business gives freedom to experiment and explore new ideas. It also gives us the independence of managing our time, as we are not bound like an employee. Moreover, it also offers tremendous growth opportunities to the owner. On the other hand, jobs offer security and less stressful life because job gives fixed salary. In addition, we can completely get detached from it after leaving the office, which is not possible in business. Still, looking at the growth possibilities and freedom, one should always opt business. Next question. Where and when do you prefer meeting people? Answer. I prefer meeting people at my home, restaurant, shopping malls, or movie theaters, where we can spend more and more time with each other, and simultaneously we can enjoy other activities offered by the place we are at. In privacy, we can share our problems we can discuss the maximum solutions of our common problems on common minimum program based areas। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, इतने से क्वेश्चन आप ये मैंने आइडियाज़ दे दिए, क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं है, क्वेश्चन के रूप में दे दिए, थोड़े आइडिया दिए। इन आइडिया को आपने और भी अपनी तरफ से ज़्यादा एम्प्लीफाई करना है, ठीक है। और आगे सेशन भी ऐसे डालते रहेंगे। थैंक्स।